These are Friday trade results. We are doing this on Saturday. Been traveling this week, so it's taking a little bit longer to process everything. So minus 650 was a down week, by the way, and some at a drawdown point right here at the end of the month, up on the month, but we ended the month off the equity peaks from the profit of the month. And so July will have the final results when I get back. I can show you the latest results for all the portfolios. We're just going over the daily trading system results for Friday. Once again, we continue to be in this choppy market environment where the market tries to make new highs and then pulls back. So no real big trends in either direction, just basically chop at the highs and into the month of July, near the highs in the stock market. And so let's look at the trades on the day. Gold, interesting. Made a very strong move on Thursday and no continuation, just a turnaround. Pull back on Friday. Stopped out on SR counter trend gold 3 minus 825. Gap continue in reverse plus 112.50 on Friday. We had a gap down. It continued and then it reversed, but it didn't really follow through on the reversal. So it just kind of chopped around. Near the midpoint of the day, you see the ES. If you just draw a line through the middle, price stayed right there in the middle of the day, so it's hard to capture a decent move when it does that. And so we've experienced these months before where it's slow at the beginning, but then we have a strong surge in profits in the portfolios, and then the last few days of the month it kind of chops around. So it's not necessarily a longer term pattern, but lately that's been the shorter term pattern. Crude oil plus 70, gap continuation minus 650. So 4 trades yesterday on Friday in the 50K portfolio. Going over these in the VPS. I don't have my research workspaces with me when I'm traveling, but I do have my VPS that I can reference for the trade. So going over the 50K portfolio trades and the 200K portfolio trades. And so let's take a look at that. Stock indexes, gap continuation reverse. These are 3 lot plus 337.50. 60-minute breakout ended the day minus 450 on a 3 lot. So this one was about minus 150 per contract on 60-minute breakout. Gap continuation in reverse was around 112 plus 112. And then we know gap continuation was minus 650 per contract on 2 losers. And 60-minute breakout in Q up 2200 on for a 3 contract trade, so up about $700 per contract. And those are the stock index trades yesterday. Not a lot of trades. Energies, disappointing to see such a strong move in energies this week and not really trade that much. And then we did capture a little bit of a move at the end of the day on Friday, but a big move up from, let's see, let me compress this down in TradeStation 10. So we see this longer term chart. Market was back here down below 66. Now it's up near 74. $8 move since about July the 20th. So a significant move back up towards recent highs in crude oil. And so you do see some. It is a choppy trend. It's not like the trends that we saw, the downtrend in crude oil here and the uptrend where we caught these moves. These are kind of a choppy trends, not as easy to capture, but we did capture a small move. Just a scratch trade yesterday on a 3 contract move, about $40 per contract on the Cobra Crude conservative and aggressive. And then the metals, SR counter trends, minus 825 on SR counter trend 3, gold A and B. Those were stopped out on each of those, minus 24.75 on a 3 contract basis. And then Asia gold up 16.95, up around 550 around 550 per contract on Asia Gold. This has a profit target of 1,000, but during the day, if it closes greater than 500 during the day session, it exits. And so that was profitable on the short side. The longs, it was confusing to see such a strong move. You take a look at the SR counter trend 2 gold chart, and you see the market is selling off, and it looks like it's moving higher here. But it takes out those highs in mid-July, takes out the July highs, and then has a pretty strong pullback of $20 with no follow-through bounce or anything. So July is kind of directionless market, turning out to be a directionless market. A lot of back and forth in July, not a lot of real distinguishable trends, and especially on the intraday basis and even the longer term basis, from what I can see, soybeans right around $13.50. It lost yesterday. It was stopped out minus 375 on soybeans. Day trader 3. It's been on a losing streak. Massive chop in the commodities and chop in the stock indexes towards the end of the month. So up on the month though in the 200K and 50K, and but they are at near drawdown alerts from those most recent equity highs. So that's the daily trading system report for Friday. Like I said, I will have the final July results. Today's July the 31st. On Saturday, tomorrow is August the 1st, and we'll have those final results updated on the site and the portfolio calculator by Monday, and probably at a drawdown alert. I'm not sure how many portfolios are right at the drawdown alert we like the best, but I will have the latest information on Monday. I know the 200K portfolio is right around a $6,000 drawdown from its most recent equity peaks, and the 50K portfolio lost about $1,400 yesterday. I think it's down around $3,000 drawdown from its most recent equity peak, and so we're right at the drawdown alert on the 50K and 200K, but we'll have the other portfolios updated as well on Monday.